there are about 6,603,000,000 people living in the world today, and approximately 4,002,000,000 live in Asia. What percent of people live in Asia? Well, let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem. We need to assign a variable to the percent that we're trying to find. And we want to know the percent of people who live in Asia, and let's let P represent that number. Let P equal the percent of people who live in Asia. Now we need to use this variable in some kind of a mathematical sentence so that we can find a solution. We'll do that in the translate step, step number 2. This is the question we're trying to answer. 4,002,000,000 is what percent of 6,603,000,000? So let's go ahead and translate. We have 4,002,000,000 translates as equals. What percent, this is what we're trying to find, and remember we've let P represent that. Of gives us multiplication, and then we have the number 6,603,000,000. So we've translated to this equation, and now we need to solve it. It's the third step in our process. We can get P alone on the right-hand side if we divide both sides by this number that's multiplied times P. So we'll have 4,002,000,000 divided by 6,603,000,000 is equal to P times 6,603,000,000 divided by 6,603,000,000. And on the left-hand side, when I do the division and round to 3 decimal places, I get 0.606, and this is approximately equal to P. Remember, we're trying to find a percent, so we'll convert 0.606 to percent notation, and we get 60.6% is approximately equal to P. Now, there are several ways we could check this. That's the next step in our process, is to check the solution, the possible solution in the original problem. We could find 60.6% of 6,603,000,000. Let's do that. This is equal to, converting 60.6% to decimal notation, we have 0.606, and we're multiplying this times 6,603,000,000. And when we find that product, we find that it's approximately equal to 4,001,418,000. And that's approximately equal to the number of people that we were told who live in Asia, which was 4,002,000,000. So our answer checks, and we can now state the result. About 60.6% of people living in the world today live in Asia.